Hey guys, it's Ben with magicplan. I'm here on site at an apartment that needs some renovation done to it. I want to demonstrate how our auto scan functionality that we recently introduced can help you quickly capture all the rooms in this property in less than 5 minutes. I'm already in the application. I've created a project and given it a name. I'm going to select the ground floor because that's where we are. And I'm just going to go ahead and insert a room and start an auto scan. Now, if you haven't used this before, it's super easy to use. You'll see that I just click this record button. It tells me to point it at the top edge of a wall. And I'm going to get this 3D model that starts to populate with a floor plan as I go around and scan everything. So you'll see it's capturing those windows automatically. And I'm just doing a 360 in this room, just spinning around as I go. We even have the door there obscuring the corner, captures it just fine. So I'm done with this room. I'll hit the record button again. It'll give me a little 2D model. I'll click confirm scan, and I'm gonna go ahead and call this one a bedroom. And now it's just telling me scan another room. And this is a prime example of low light situation that you can scan in still. So in a completely dark room, you might need something like a pocket flashlight or something like that to help out. But this is dark, but not too dark. So I'll be able to scan this room in with no problem. So I'm gonna hit the record button again, and you see it captures that door right away. And I'm just gonna follow along this hallway. You wanna give a little space between you and the recording so that it has enough field of view to pick up any corners like this one here that might be tough to detect otherwise. And just like that, I'm done with the hallway. Oh, it tells me it's incomplete, so I'll click cancel, and I'll pull up this 2D rendering. Okay, so what we have is down here at the end, is showing it as incomplete here, and that's because I didn't scan the inside of this wall. So let me scan that, and click record. So that's a really useful tip right there. When you're done, we'll get a notification if it says, hey, this is incomplete. Don't finish anyways. Go and open up that 2D rendering by clicking the 2D button, and I was able to quickly identify I was missing a wall. All I went was scan that wall that I overlooked. Voila, we're done. So this looks perfect now. I'll click confirm scan, hit hall, and let's go into this other room. And you'll notice that I closed a lot of the doors in the property. This makes it a little bit easier to separate the rooms, because with the auto scan, I'm able to scan all the rooms one after another. And if there's a big opening, sometimes it'll start to detect that wall behind it. You see it picked up the hallway wall right there. But thankfully, we've already scanned that hallway, so it shouldn't be an issue for this room. So I'll click 2D. Yeah, it picked up the wall over there, but that shouldn't have any impact on my final scan because I already scanned that room. So it's able to detect, hey, this is a wall, I've already seen this wall, and it'll just ignore it. So I'll confirm the scan here. This is the living room. And my floor plan is starting to look pretty good. I'm gonna ask my cameraman to give me a little bit of light here because we're gonna dive into a very dark bathroom. Now this is a prime example of something that's a little bit too dark without a little bit of artificial light. So now I'm gonna click scan room. I'm gonna point this at the top edge. And you see it's able to detect it once I get a little bit of light to help me out. So just a little bit of help from that flashlight, and we're able to capture all the information that we need to get this bathroom into the project. Let me get the door here. Everyone wave to the cameraman. And just like that, we have the bathroom. I'm gonna confirm the scan. And last but not least, the kitchen. So I'm just gonna quickly start this here. As you guys can tell, we're around the 5-minute mark here. I even fixed a couple mistakes that I made during the scan. It wasn't even the scanning's fault, it was just me making simple mistakes. And I'm done scanning this wall. Take a scan. And take a look at that project. It captured the bathtub, it captured the toilet, it captured appliances over here that were stacked up on top of each other. It captured everything, and we did that all in just a matter of a couple minutes. And just like that, you have all the data that you need to begin your project, whether it's remodeling, restoration, whatever. We hope that you like this information and we like this video. We have plenty more of them. Hope you check them out. Have a great day.